Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to show you a cool little feature I didn't realize until just recently that was in Android Pie. I mean, I think I knew about it, but I probably forgot about it. So it's the idea that we can go through and bring up a series of actions for an app to be able to do. So if an app has a certain action, we can long press it and see, well, hey, if I want to have, and I go straight to incognito, which is kind of cool if you use incognito. But let's say you always want to do that. Instead of long pressing it every time you long press it, then long press this, and that becomes an app icon we can move. All right, and that way it brings you straight there. So it's a feature you use all the time. Like I always tend to go into Play Store and want to go and check my apps and games. I can just long press this, long press that, and now that's a feature that goes straight into my apps and games. So it's kind of a neat little thing that it has if you do that. For example, one of the things I tend to do a lot is Untapped. I tend to automatically try to just go into Untapped to scan. So I made that a little shortcut. So I bring that up, and it brings up the scanning feature to scan the UPC code. There we go. It just takes a little bit. That's a bit of a slow app to go through, but you can do that with just about anything. You want to take a selfie. I gotta find a spot to have this little icon. So I mean, yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do that are basically like widgets, but can be a little bit faster. So we have the fact that Google Play can take my apps, camera selfie. If there is a specific person you like to text, so there's my wife there, I can just tap that and it goes straight to our conversations. We can do a new tweet. We can do, Facebook doesn't have anything. I'm sad about Google Plus because they have a new post. We can do, where else? A new document, right? So this long press feature has been really kind of cool. And the fact that the actionable items, you can make your own little icon. So a specific book, right? So pretty neat. Anyways, that's what I think. Talk to you soon.